TikTok? What the hell is TikTok? Today I will get the answer to this question that is haunting everyone my age or older. Today I'm in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and the question comes from Bruna, who says, Phil, I don't really understand TikTok. Do you know anything about this or how I could use it for my business? Well, Bruna, I don't know the answer to your question, so I am bringing in an expert to help answer this.
Poof!
Meet Ed, our resident TikTok expert today. Ed is a great friend of mine and an influencer here in Brazil, and honestly, you know so much more about this topic than I do, so I had to have you here today. Thank you for hanging out with me today.
Thank you for the invite. Hi everyone, I am Prado. I am an influencer and you can say I'm a TikTok star. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a TikTok star yet, but I will be, and you will be a TikTok star with me because today we're going to teach you how to make TikTok.
Let's do it. Okay, first things first, let's explain to people who don't really understand this social media platform what it is and how it's a little bit different than the others.
Okay, TikTok is a new social media, is the new Musical.ly, like a big Chinese corporation just bought Musical.ly and changed the name and also changed the way the things are in the app, and now we get a so dynamic app that is so fast and you have so much videos and they're like 15 seconds videos, so it's really cool.
So this is definitely like a social media platform that young people understand, but those of us that are not as young don't quite fully understand it yet. Can you help us, the old people?
Yes, of course. Everyone can enter the TikTok platform. You just need to pay attention in what we are going to say today in this video. And also, be aware that we already record a
podcast.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Talking about TikTok and how you can use your business in TikTok.
Exactly. In the podcast, we go into more detail on how you can use this as a business if you're not quite comfortable with it. In this video, we're going to focus more on actually creating my first TikTok.
So it's like a tutorial.
Let's do
it.
Okay, Ed, so I've literally just opened my TikTok app. This might be my third time total. What is the first thing I should do?
So you just open and you have following page for you. Oh, following page.
Look,
it's me.
It's you.
Oh my gosh. And you got for your page, and this is actually a challenge. See that you can make it. It can be our first TikTok, but we can search more. Okay, so this is a really nice TikTok. I just got the wrong button.
And I can't even make this one because I can't do this with my hands.
Me too, but you know what I did? Let me show you. So this is something people think. I can do this TikTok because I can do some movement, but that's not a problem at all. Let me show you how to make it. Look. Wait, See? I couldn't do it, but that's not a problem.
Okay, so you didn't let this stop you from jumping on this trend. I get it.
Exactly. Like, you have a trend, just do it. So, you like this trend. So, what I do, I just like the video and continue scrolling the page to see if I see a video that I like. It's the same trend. Oh my gosh. They want you to do this trend. I'm feeling it.
So it's just like a lot of challenges. It's like a lot of skits.
Okay, so like if you don't interested, you can like just pass.
I love dogs.
And I just actually see TikTok like this, and if I see something that is interesting, I stop.
So how do you not overthink what you should create? I'm looking at this going, I don't know how to do any of this crap. How do you get over that?
Okay, my tip for you is look for some inspiration.
Okay.
So for the dance, oh my god.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Hardest TikTok dance tutorial? Oh god.
No, it's not the hardest, you know. Like for example, this one got 5 million likes. So it's like, this is the dance. Are you scared?
Yeah. How am I gonna learn that?
It's actually pretty easy. You
Okay.
just need to focus, okay?
Okay.
So you are seeing the video right now in your screen. This isn't a difficult dance.
Okay.
You just need to pay attention in the steps, like all other TikToks.
Okay.
So today we are going to make 2 TikTok. We are going to make that trend, okay?
Okay.
With the hands.
Yeah.
And this renegade dance. It is fine?
Yeah. I challenge accepted.
Okay, so first we are going to the whoa. So it's like whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
whoa, exactly.
Whoa.
Whoa. Then you will do like an 8 with your hand, like wave, and you're doing like a wave, wave. Exactly. Ooh.
Okay.
You need to have your arms like whoa. Exactly. And then you do, and then you will hit your arms like this, and this, and wait.
Oh! I'm really stressed.
I think 1 hour to learn this. He's like so fast learning it.
Oh my god, he's just being nice.
Exactly, that's great. And then you can do whatever you want in the final
Okay.
part.
So
But you got all the
I got the steps. It's gonna need a bit more practice.
yeah. But he's going to record like the first one and then the final, just you to see the evolution.
Okay, great. Let's do it.
So everyone, I need to say that I am really impressed with Phil movements because he got the dance so fast, and I am so angry because it took me like 2 hours to get this dance, and we are like practicing for 15 minutes and he already got. So
I'm not that good at it, but I'm gonna make my best effort.
yes, and we are recording here, so you will see us recording
Here we go. Let's do
so
it. This is
I
the
will put
final
the
one.
timer. So we have the countdown.
Thank you. I need
Okay.
every
So,
countdown
like,
second I can get.
The start countdown 3 seconds and let's go.
Wait. Go. Go. Got one. Go. Go. Oh.
Yeah. Drop.
Go.
Yeah, you did. Let's do a really good tutorial. We finished recording here. You see. So now I will put this check mark, and now I can choose filters that I want to put. Let's put some. A nice
Choose your favorite one, you said.
and then you choose the intensity of your filter. See, like 80 is fine. If you want, you can add some text in it. So what do you want to write something? I don't know.
Learning TikTok from a teenager.
Yeah, because he did it. He's really good at it. And like, it's not good when you let
Okay.
your text in all the videos, so you can set duration. So you click and low. I just want like in the first
Cool.
like second, you know. I think this can go for the For You page because it's really nice.
I love it.
I love it too. I want to post this on my TikTok. Actually.
Great.
Yay! That's
It's
that's
ready.
perfect.
Let's post it.
Okay, so now you put your filter, your text. So now is a really important part.
Okay.
Because in TikTok it's really important to tag. Okay, so now you put your subtitle here. So like, I don't know, learning.
Thank God.
Thank God, learn TikTok.
For-
I don't know. Do a really simple subtitle. Don't put like a lot of elements
Okay.
because you need to be clean,
Yeah.
you know. And then it's really important to you to put hashtags.
Okay.
Yeah, because then a lot of people can see your TikTok. hashtags. And if you want to put a lot of hashtags, you can, like just not a lot.
Great.
Then you just need to be clean, you see. Allow do it and reacts, because then a lot of people can say, hey, this was me doing my first TikTok, and then can do a react of you doing this, and then your video go to a lot more people. So yeah, allow comments, allow do it and react, and save to the album. This is like if you want just your friends, private or public. I always post public because yeah. And then you can.
Oh my gosh, we did it.
Yeah.
I really thought for a while there that I was not actually going to be able to do that, but we did it.
She's so good at it.
That's
oh
not
my
true.
gosh. Yes, it is.
That is
yes,
not
it
true.
is. But
It
like,
is thanks to your guidance, okay? This guy who does 4 TikToks a day, I
Yes, it
managed
is
to
true.
do 1. We said 2, but we did 1 and that was enough for me. But I feel like having gone through that with you, I feel more confident. I feel like relieved that the first one is out there. I guess now it's kind of like I figure out my angle on this platform, right? Like I probably side a bit more with like the educational side of things. Than
yeah,
the
I
comedy.
think it's probably better. But no, I'm just kidding.
He's like, you're not that funny. Yeah.
No, he's actually really good. We just did this TikTok, like a dance trend, just for you know, like how big is the platform. And actually, maybe you could do like this dance, and every movement you put like a text talking about something,
Got
just
it.
like the doctor did.
Yeah,
you know,
that's great.
Like, and I think you need to explore, and actually, it's really good. And if you put some knowledge inside the TikTok, can be really interesting.
I love it. Well, thank you for this lesson today. Where can people find you?
People can find me on Instagram or on TikTok. Is ed.prado, ed.prado.
You've also got a YouTube channel. We'll link to that, which is
I
super
also
cool.
have, like, I don't record a YouTube video for, I don't know, maybe 6 months, but maybe I will come back. I don't know.
Maybe.
So check it out.
Know that I am so appreciative of you coming and hanging out with me today, and it's been such a pleasure.
I should thank you because it was really, really cool. So wait, go and follow Phil on TikTok.
Do it.
Because now he's going to become a TikTok star.
I hope not to disappoint you.
He will not. He's really good at it.
And while you're here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. What did you think of this first TikTok experience? I'm Phil,
I'm Eduardo Prado.
and we appreciate you hanging out with us today. We'll see you back next time. Woohoo!